My ceramic knives get dull, I reach for the best ceramic knife sharpener made. Check it out. In less than 60 seconds, I put a new edge on any ceramic knife with this tool.
Hello, Chef here. I got this really awesome red pear and I'm going to decorate it very quickly. First thing I'm going to do is use my channel knife. Wow, it's very, very ripe. Next thing I'm going to do is use my ceramic knife and cut it right down the middle. Very nice clean cut. Carefully remove the core because this baby is so ripe. I like how the ceramic travels through very easily. Minimal waste. Yeah. Very nice. Now, you can do a variety of things here. I'm going to cut these a few different ways. So first I'll move them out of my way, and then I'm going to cut this one into just some cool points. Maybe one more, like this. Very, very nice decorations. You want to see that beautiful color I got going on there. Cool. This one I'm going to just do some slices. Nice, consistent slices. Very, very easy with the right tools.
Not expensive, and it only takes about 30 seconds on each side.
This pear is very ripe, so it's a little bit tricky to work with. And the last one, I'm just going to do a unusual roll cut here. All right, the red pear. Perfect for a holiday event or just snacking on. Like, share, subscribe right there. Support your sponsor and learn more about the best ceramic knives on earth.
Shrimp cocktail with persimmons and dragon fruit. Search the recipe.
Dragon fruit persimmons relish. Thanks for watching. Hit the love button. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Shrimp cocktail with persimmons. I really like this crust recipe, and you can find it on the channel, of course. Have a great day. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Search soups on this channel. You'll find a whole bunch. Most importantly, make sure to shop the sponsor. That's going to keep these videos going. And why not buy the best quality products the first time? Talking about these Japanese knives, butcher block, made in the USA, the best you can get. This one has been cut, chopped, scraped, and cooked on for over 20 years, and it looks new. Check it out. Yeah. On a side note, thank you for watching another video, and make sure to press play, find your favorites, and don't forget, subscribe. Never miss one of the chef's videos. Gonna learn a lot of things on this channel, save money, live longer, eat healthy. Oh yeah. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen.
Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call for the best vanilla beans, extracts, vanilla powder, vanilla seed specks. Get all that stuff at your sponsor. It's the best. Yeah. Don't forget to check out the butcher blocks, islands, tables, bars, counters, cutting boards while you're there. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day.
Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.